Okay guys, so little update on the Ranger 6x6. You can see I put a window in it. Now this is just actually it's the window out of the last 6x6 I had. It's in the shed. I just put it on there for now just to have a window. It is temporary. That's got to be redone. I tried to paint that because it was yellow. Didn't turn out. Probably put some bed liner or something on that. It is cracked, but this is all temporary for now. The thing that is permanent, you can see the roof. I've been working on that, fabricating it. There it is, the start of my roof. That 16 gauge 4x8 sheet. Trimmed it down. This is the front of the windshield. I gotta bend the rest of it. It's working out pretty good. I'm having to go in here and put ribs because I made this out of 16 gauge. Kind of wish I would have went 14 gauge on that. But see, it kind of wraps around, got a 60-degree angle there, kind of protecting the window. Now you can see I got some more framework here. This framework is to allow me to put a 900 XP Ranger lock and ride rear window in there. I got it right here. The window can lock, or it can be popped in and out. It's also got the slider. It's the more expensive one. So that'll pop into that frame that I got there. I gotta make the rest of the piece here. That'll just bolt on to complete that and seal that out. But yeah, I did the same thing to that 2003. I did the back window. I never did get to the roof on that one. But I didn't have a bender at that time, and I would have had to have taken it to a machine shop. I just never did get to it. But I'm liking how this is turning out. I think it's turning out pretty good. Okay, so a few other things I've done to the Ranger is I put a lift kit on the front, 2-inch lift kit. You can see it's a little higher up there. Basically what that does on these older Rangers is it kind of just levels the Ranger out. So I think it looks better. Once I get my new tires on here, it'll look better too. But on these 6x6s, it also helps turning, because it takes some of the weight off that middle axle. So, because these 6x6s are locked in the rear all the time. You can't unlock the rear diff. But another thing I'm having trouble with this thing running, I've had to put a new fuel pump in this thing because it quit, or it kept quitting. I got the seat on there now, I guess, but fuel pumps right here. I've got videos on that, I believe, on my older Rangers. Got a new one. It's an electric fuel pump, and that solved that problem. But then now I got no spark, so I had to push it in here. I was kind of doing some test driving to see how that worked out, if I had bad rattles or anything, but it is rattling pretty good because I got no front mounts. And then I didn't have these braces that I'm adding. I think I got to add a few more. Like I said, I wish I would have got 14 gauge for the roof, but I was worried about weight, because even the 16 gauge is fairly heavy. So that's about it, guys. A little update on the Ranger, what's been going on. Probably going to be adding a few lights to this. I know I want some side lights that are going to go right there. I'm not sure what I want to do up front. I don't know if I want to do a real big light bar. Maybe just a single row one or something. But I do have doors for this thing. They are not... You can't get like cab stuff for these older Rangers anymore, I don't think. You might be able to get other brands, maybe like Curtis. Curtis might still make a cab for these older type Rangers, but I actually got doors. I got 900 poly doors with the power windows, just the same doors I had on my 16, that blue 900. So I'm thinking about retrofitting them onto this. I actually have them, they're right here. But we'll see, that might be quite the project, but I gotta finish my roof up here and we'll go from there, I guess.